Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Zulkan Heather, and the topic of my presentation is neurocomputing in seizure disease detection. I will be talking about what is neurocomputing, seizure disease, and its detection, what is the importance of detecting seizure disease, and what are the future of neurocomputing. Well, neurocomputing refers to the use of computers and computational techniques to study and model the nervous system, including the brain. Well, we will look at the video and further get knowledge about what is neurocomputing.
While it is easy to believe that conventional computers process information similarly to the human brain, in reality, they work very differently. The human brain processes streams of information through a network of neurons and signals. As patterns develop, the brain instantaneously matches them to past experiences. But statistical big data methods process numerical information, which means that only particular data points are compared. Neurocomputing, on the other hand, works just like the human brain. It processes entire networks of information, comparing their structural similarities and analyzing their relationships and interdependencies. This allows for the identification, classification, and adaptation of new patterns.
Well, there are different techniques that are used in neurocomputing. The number one is neural network model. These are computational models that are inspired by the structure and function of the brain and are composed of interconnected layers of neurons. The other one is machine learning algorithm. These are algorithms that can learn from data and make prediction or decision based on that learning. Other one is cognitive computing. These are the subfield of neurocomputing that focuses on building artificial intelligence systems that can perform tasks such as reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. Next one is neuroinformatics. This is a field that combines neuroscience, computer science, and information science to develop new tools and approaches for collecting, storing, and analyzing data related to the nervous system. Now, we will talk about what is seizure disease. Seizure disease, it is a brain disorder that are caused by abnormal brain activity, and about around 50 million people are affected by this. The seizures can vary in severity, duration, symptomatology, and may be triggered by a variety of factors such as genetical predisposition. There are different types of seizure disease. The number one is generalized seizure. These seizures involve abnormal electrical activities that occur throughout the entire brain and can cause a loss of consciousness and the whole body convulsions. Other one is focal seizure. These seizures involve abnormal electrical activity that originates from the specific location of the brain. Next one is status epilepticus. This is a medical emergency that is characterized by prolonged seizure activity that is more than 5 minutes or multiple seizures that occur in quick succession without the person's regaining consciousness in between. Now, what is the main purpose of neurocomputing in seizure disease? Seizure disease, in the context of seizure disease, neurocomputing techniques may be used to analyze brain activity patterns in order to better understand seizure and develop new treatments. Now, we will talk about what is the importance of detecting neurocomputing and detection of seizure disease in neurocomputing. Well, there are different algorithms that are used in detecting seizure attack. Number one is decision tree algorithm, neural network, sport vector machines, k-means clustering, random forest. We will be talking about sport vector machines. Sport vector machines are often used for classification tasks, including identifying pattern in brain activity data that are associated with seizures. The SVMs, in short, finds the hyperplane in the high dimensional space that best separate different classes of data points. For example, in the context of seizure disease, an SVM might be trained to identify patterns of brain activity that are characterized of seizure activity and to classify new data points. The highest accuracy obtained by SVM was 98.4%. It is the best algorithm that was used to identify seizure attack. These are the data set from the research article from published under the supervision of University of Bonn. It is a SSG data set which was used to train machine learning algorithm, and other these are the signal processes. The signals are divided into 5 sets, which include seizure and non-seizure signals. In the first one, there are non-seizure brain signals, and then the second data is of a seizure disease infected person. We differentiate these signals into 4 parts, so we can remove the noise and predict what is this seizure attack or not. The based on the accuracy and detection, the difference between both of them, the SVM detect the accuracy and precision of the seizure attack. What is the importance of seizure disease detection? Seizure disease detection is important to prevent injury, diagnose epilepsy, optimize treatment, and improve quality of life. Around 1,000 people have been died according to WHO because of seizure attack. So, what is the future of the seizure, the neurocomputing in seizure disease? The future advancements include improved machine learning algorithm. By improving machine learning algorithm, we can predict more easily about what when the seizure attack is going to happen. Other one is wearable devices. We can use wearable devices to in case of seizure attack, we can call emergency and made another prediction. Machine computer brain interface. We can connect machine human brain with a computer. Improved seizure predictions by using algorithms. Fact: it is an interesting fact that we can control a human brain with by using neurocomputing, and I think that is one of the best use of neurocomputing. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. This is all from my side.